Hello, and welcome to our video on the compatibility of INFP and ESTP in relationships. The INFP, or introverted, intuitive, feeling, perceiving personality type, and the ESTP, or extroverted, sensing, thinking, perceiving personality type, can make for an interesting and dynamic match. While both types have their own unique strengths and challenges, when they come together in a relationship, they can complement each other in unexpected ways. However, it's important to keep in mind that every individual is unique, and not all INFPs and ESTPs will necessarily experience the same challenges and benefits in their relationship. In this video, we'll be discussing some of the common challenges and benefits of being in an INFP and ESTP relationship, as well as strategies for overcoming the challenges and making the most of the benefits. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in. To start with, INFPs are known for their compassionate and idealistic nature. They tend to be very empathetic and caring, and often prioritize the needs of others above their own. They value harmony and authenticity in their relationships, and often struggle with expressing their own needs and wants. ESTPs are outgoing and action-oriented. They are highly adaptable and enjoy taking risks and trying new things. They are independent and enjoy living in the moment, rather than planning for the future. They are very direct and candid in their communication, and can sometimes come across as insensitive to others' feelings. In a relationship, the INFP's empathetic and compassionate nature may complement the ESTP's outgoing and adventurous spirit. However, the INFP's tendencies to prioritize the needs of others and struggle of self-expression may clash with the ESTP's independent nature and tendency to be direct in communication. Additionally, the INFP's desire for harmony and authenticity in relationships may clash with the ESTP's enjoyment of taking risks and trying new things. It's important for the couple to be aware of these differences and to be willing to work on communication and understanding each other's perspective. It's also important to find common ground and to appreciate the unique qualities each partner brings to the relationship. With effort and understanding, the INFP and ESTP can form a strong and fulfilling relationship. As we mentioned earlier, INFPs and ESTPs have different personalities, and their way of communicating can clash. This can cause some challenges when it comes to communication and conflict resolution, but that doesn't mean it's impossible to overcome. One of the key things to remember is that effective communication is crucial in any relationship, and it's especially important when two personalities are as different as INFP and ESTPs are. For INFPs, being clear and direct in their communication with an ESTP is important. Instead of being evasive, they should express themselves in a straightforward manner. ESTPs, on the other hand, should be mindful of the INFP's need for harmony in the relationship and try to be sensitive to their feelings. Another effective strategy is using I statements. Instead of placing blame or making accusations, INFPs can express their own feelings and needs. This helps the ESTP understand the INFP's perspective and can make them more in tune with their emotions. Conflict is inevitable in any relationship, but the key is to resolve it effectively. To do this, finding common ground is crucial. By focusing on shared goals and values, the INFP and ESTP can work together to find a solution that is mutually beneficial. Active listening is also important in resolving conflicts. Both partners should make an effort to understand the other's point of view. By trying to understand where the other person is coming from, the couple can find a way to move forward together. Another area where an INFP and ESTP may face challenges is in finding balance and compromise. For example, INFPs tend to value alone time and may need some space to recharge. They might enjoy more contemplative activities like reading or writing. ESTPs, on the other hand, are outgoing and enjoy social activities and excitement. They tend to be more action-oriented and may enjoy activities like sports or adventure. Finding a balance between these different needs can be challenging, but it's not impossible. One strategy for finding balance is to schedule alone time for the INFP and social activities for the ESTP. For example, the INFP can have some time to themselves during the day while the ESTP is at work, and then the couple can go out and do something exciting together in the evening. Another strategy is to find activities that both partners can enjoy. This can include things like hiking, going to a concert, or trying a new hobby together. It's all about finding common ground and finding ways to enjoy each other's company. Compromise is also crucial in finding balance in an INFP and ESTP relationship. The INFP should be willing to try new things, and the ESTP should be willing to slow down and appreciate the quieter moments. By being open to each other's needs, the couple can find a balance that works for them. The differences between these two personality types can also be strengths that add value to the relationship. For example, the INFP's compassionate and empathetic nature can bring a sense of warmth and understanding to the relationship, while the ESTP's outgoing and adventurous spirit can bring excitement and spontaneity. These differences can make for a well-rounded and fulfilling relationship. It's important for the couple to embrace and celebrate their differences instead of trying to change each other. By accepting and appreciating each other for who they are, the couple can learn from each other and grow as individuals. Another way to embrace and celebrate each other's differences is to learn from each other. For example, the INFP can teach the ESTP about empathy and understanding, while the ESTP can teach the INFP about taking risks and living in the moment. The bottom line is that INFP and ESTP relationships require patience, understanding, and willingness to compromise. By being aware of the differences in their personalities and making an effort to communicate effectively, INFPs and ESTPs can form a strong and fulfilling relationship. Thanks for watching. Comment below with any personal experience you may have as an INFP or ESTP. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video on brain and behavior.